Hello and welcome to a quick tutorial on programming your new Granite card. First thing you need to do is start GDTool. When it comes up, you will see down here if you are connected to the card or not. What we want to do over on our card, which has now been powered up, and you can see it is blinking red and blue because it doesn't have main power yet, but the rest of the connections are there. I want to take my programming cable, again with the silver mark on it. Silver mark always goes closest toward the blue power connector, matches up with the silver pin. Carefully insert that like so. Okay. Now in GDTool, click on Device, Connect to Drive. And we get this message. Turn servo drive power off and press the next button. Just to make life easier, you can click Next. And then you want to do as it says. You want to click the power off, which is this little button hiding right under the circuit board here, this little white button. Click it in, hold it in for about 2 seconds. Power goes off. Go, power comes back on. Now it thinks it's ready to connect, and over here it says turn it on. While it is on, we click next, and it says connected. And go ahead and click import, and that brings all the settings that are currently saved in the drive onto your screen here. If you did it right, you should see some settings like this for most cards. Then we go through the tuning process, which is best done in the tuning manual. But basically we go through these different settings, set it up to match your drive, work through torque tuning, then to velocity tuning, and finally to position tuning. And we run the step responses to get graphs until they match perfectly, and then we're happy with our tuning. And then when we're all done, we go up to Device and we save the active settings in the drive, and we also go File and save the settings on your computer in case you ever need them in the future. That is a crash tutorial on setting up and programming your new card. There's one thing that I do need to mention over here. When you have everything powered on, it is also very important that if you have any problems when you are setting up and connecting your drive, you will also, in addition to connecting the programming cable, quite often you will want to disconnect the motion cable. That's the one on the far left here, the 4-pin step and direction. And it's okay if you're careful to unplug and plug while it is on. Okay. It's not going to hurt to have both plugged in, but it may cause interference. So if you're having problems connecting, unplug the step and direction cable and leave the programming cable plugged in. And that's it. Thanks for watching.